te whai whātalo whātu pa ia man mamalu wa whanga poto mai nei a fiafi. Ai mo no whātu lou i le fio le fionga le ampasa o le malo saina i Samoa, le fionga ia Chao Xiaoling. A fio le pa ia la silasi o tupu mae, whanau a onga ua mawal nei wha manuianga mai le malo saina. O tau pa ia mamalu, o tawhai fia, o le soifuanga, o le anu nu atu ia whaatine o tau sala. Al nei tu la, e moli atu se whamatalanga al tatou malo, e tu sai ma le whaamoe moe o le nei aso. Ua tatou moli mawina ai le mausali, o le tuu mai pēo le tau au o le malo saina, i asa moa, i tūlanga tau ia o onga. Your Excellency Chao Xiaoliang, Chinese Ambassador to Samoa, distinguished guests, recipients of the Chinese government scholarship, and your families, ladies and gentlemen. It gives me great pleasure as the Minister of Education, Sports and Culture to express a few words on behalf of the government and the people of Samoa for this remarkable event to mark yet another extension of the ongoing bilateral partnership between the government of China and the government of Samoa through education. The key to achieving Samoa's aspirations in its pathway to the development of Samoa lies in having well-educated citizens. I believe this is the true meaning of today's meeting and China's support for the provision of scholarships for our students. The scholarship schemes have continued through many decades with the support of Samoa's development partners, both long and short-term training opportunities. This occasion, therefore, again, allows me on behalf of the government of Samoa to convey our appreciation to the government of China as one of the key contributors to the scholarship and development agenda. I am confident that the courses offered through this program is geared towards our country's national need and priorities. You must remember that this scholarship is a reflection of Samoa and China's growing partnership in supporting your individual development and therefore your country's economy in the years to come. I urge you to use this opportunity wisely and that you return home with your new knowledge and skills to serve, hopefully, as teachers as we need more. I also understand that all of you who have received this scholarship to study in China will be eager to discover a new experience and different learning environments. But remember, it is very important that you maintain your contact with home because that's where you get your guidance from during exciting and challenging time in this journey. We are always grateful for China to support Samoa and strengthening your arms out wide to support education, not only in building schools, but also in providing support such as this. I must also commend China for this center building we are sitting today. Tautu ana ma au tolu whanau, i au tau a miopu lea. A wā o wanoa e le au maua le nei a wanoa o tau maua. O tau a filifilia mai le numera e tō tele, sa talo sanga. Ia whanga tatau, le nei a wanoa tā ua. A wā se ai mo a inga, nuu, a e maise o si o tātou watu nuu. Ia tū mau le tatalo, ma wha moe moe le li i teimi uma. Once again, On behalf of the government and people of Samoa, I would like to extend my heartfelt and sincere gratitude to your continuous support and commitment to our established partnership. I wish you all a successful study journey to China, and may you all enjoy the rest of the evening. Soifua, God bless.
Honorable Minister, my dear colleague from Diplomatic Corps, distinguished guests, ladies and gentlemen, 大家晚上好 Aloha lava and good evening. It is a great pleasure to be together with old friends and so many young and delighted faces here today to bid a farewell to students and trainees departing for China in near future. On behalf of the Chinese Embassy in Samoa, I wish to extend a warm welcome to all the distinguished guests present today. This year, 13 Samoa students have been awarded Chinese government scholarship with 11 newly enrolled and 2 successfully extended. First of all, I would like to take this opportunity to thank my Samoa colleagues in Ministry of Foreign Affairs and Trade and the Samoa Public Service and Commission, particularly for the Honorable Minister of Education and Sports of Samoa, for your tremendous support in recommending excellent Samoa youth study in China. Indeed, we two countries share a long-standing close friendship on education cooperation. Around 400 Samoa students have set their foot on China for tertiary education since the Chinese government scholarship set up in 1982. Today, I'm delighted to see these young students join us. Not only did their enthusiasm and genuineness to leave a profound impression to schoolmates and professors, but the knowledge and the skill have learned also inject impetus to the development and the prosperity of Samoa. More cheerfully, some of them work well with the Confucius Institute in National University of Samoa. Until now, the institutes have cultivated about 1,000 graduates, with deep mutual understanding between our two peoples. Based on those fruitful outcomes, we're looking forward to more Samoa young generation enjoying their life and fulfill their dreams in China. I'm also glad to meet 10 participants of a seminar on civil peacekeeping police capacity for the South Pacific Island countries. All of you are witness to solid working relationship in police academy building between China and Samoa. During the past decade, dozens of Samoa police officers have participated in Chinese various training programs, including seminars on criminal investigation. Meanwhile, with the aim of helping Samoa police officers better service the society, the Police Academy project and the fingerprint laboratory project were proposed. both of which are now progressive standalone. Distinguished guests, ladies and gentlemen, the venue we gather today, the Culture and Arts Center, is a Chinese aid project aligned with the Samoa national aspiration, as well as a vivid epitome of a close relationship and a scope achievement and a joint efforts. It is present that the center serves a useful purpose for Samoa. Riding on the wave of our long-term friendship, I would like to present sincerest wish to students and trainees for your promising prospects. To dear fellow for our broad cooperation, to all of us for a shared future. 谢谢. Thank you, and have a nice evening.